God. It's me. It has me in it. It's about me. Every play today. Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna play. God. Okay. Oh, it's me. It's me, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. What's this? That's cool. What's this? That's cool. Play. Again. Oh, I'm so excited. I just killed the family. Now I'm playing a game about me. So cool. I taught you though. Whew. Oh, I wish I had some water. Blood. Oh, that sucks. Oh, someone's already Leatherface? This is bullshit. Guess I could be my brothers. Who the fuck is Johnny? Who the fuck is that? Who are you? Hands? I know Nancy. Who the fuck? So, I'll be Hitchhiker. You're my brother. Ooh, you got a coat? That's cool. What's this? Oh, I can pick what I can. Sliced meat. Okay, I'll be Hitchhiker. Yeah, I'll be Hitchhiker. No. Oh, I can be Leatherface. Yeah, I can be myself. I'm Leatherface. Yay. Oh, what else do I have? Let me see. Gutted like a deer. Chase grinder. Cut and thrust. Drilling down. Leg day. I think I like that to the most. The slash is pretty cool. I think who that's good. Oh, who is Anna, Connie, Virginia. There's all food. I want to eat them together. We're going to the family house. We're going home. I get my Sunday best on. Yeah. Oh, shoot. What else do I have? A muddy chainsaw? Sure. We're gonna have my Sunday best on. Oh, we gotta cook. Oh, great. I've never played this game before, guys. I started playing when I killed that family. I'm poison. We're gonna play again, guys. I think I killed everyone. Where did I put my hammer? That was like awful. I dropped my hammer on the floor. So I keep this. Wait, can I use this as a blade? Oh, that'd be so cool. Oh my God. Sissy. It's me, guys, it's me. Oh my God, it's me. Oh, what's happening? What's this? Oh, you get out of the house. Yeah. What's happening? Oh my God, I killed her, guys. I killed her. I just murdered her. Okay, hold on. There's so many people. Let's go find some people. Through that door. Hey, I can hear you making noises. Go back here. Stay. Oh, my chainsaw stalled. Oh, dummy. That's so stupid. Dang it. Dang it. There's so many chainsaws. Let me in. Let me in. Hey, go. Hey, this is fun. Go back here. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Where's the noise? Where's the vacuum? Who's that? The guy. Yeah. Oh, my chainsaw started again. Dang it. Fuck. Hey, just gonna stand there? Oh, okay. I'll stop my chainsaw. Come here! Yeah, get it! Get it! Oh! Yo! Yo! What? I should do that! Why did I think to do that? Well, that would be so easy to kill people. Just chainsaw your neck? Where's everyone else? Hello? Oh, destroy that, yeah. Oh, what? Fixing my mask. Ew. There's some meat in here. I guarantee I killed them. Guarantee. What are these? Oh, I can destroy them. Alright, I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Yeah. Destroy. I'm gonna get out of here. Open that door. Yeah. What's this? Stairs. Okay, I want the stairs. Hey, there's other doors right there. I can hear you. Oh. It's a locked door. Okay, never mind. Oh, it's Sissy. There's Sissy. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's my brain. Oh, okay. Oh, hey, Grandpa, I'll feed you. How do I... Oh, I have blood. I didn't know that. So I can see Grandpa. What does Grandpa do? I have double chin. Jesus Christ, I have like a triple chin. Oh, what'd you do? Oh, get the dark vectors, that's so cool! I've never been this excited for a game. Someone. I got stuck in the freaking door. What's this? What's down there? Oh, stairs. I can't go downstairs, I'm too big. I'm gonna destroy these doors. Get those doors! I don't want to do that to a victim. How do I do that to her? How do I do it to the meat? How do I do it to the food? Yeah, I got some food for Grandpa. I'll close that. Yeah, chop it. Hey, wait, who's that? Who's that? Oh. He disconnected? What? Oh, I killed him. Wait, someone died? Oh, good job, Sissy. Destroy one of these doors. What's that point? I've scored. I have 1,000 score. That's good, right? Where's that bag? Where's everyone? I don't know. Hello? Hello? What's that? What's this? Oh, that's a another thing. I don't know what it's called. Not food. That would be eat. That would be the... What was I saying again? Oh, Grandpa's going. Where's the service at, Grandpa? Where's the food at? Grandpa, you're fucking useless. I'm kidding, I wouldn't say that to a family, but I'm joking. Clayton, if you're seeing this, please don't beat me. Okay. That's fine, man. What's this? A door? I'm just gonna keep destroying these doors. I don't like them. Damn, where's the other one? That's gonna be difficult. Where's everyone? You. Good go. One for again. One for together. No, fatty. No. I got this down for you. Please don't beat me. Sorry. Oh, grab it! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, I'm coming right there! I'm back! I got him! I got him! You see that? Are you proud of me? I got him! I hit him! I hit him, guys! I hit... Oh. Go, go, go! Yeah! 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 I got it, guys! I got it! Hey, that's getting me crooked. Should do my hair. I got it! Grandpa, let me see him. I think I have it upstairs. He really likes Daddy. I'm home. I'm sorry, don't beat me. Oh, what's that blue stuff? What the fuck? What the hell is that blue shit? Hey! Oh, I wanna see. Oh, wait, I can't get it. Why? I'm just standing here. What the hell am I doing? He was right there. She was right there. Are you kidding me? Where'd she go? Oh, yeah, get it. Get it. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. You see that? Oh, look at me. Look at me. I fixed it. We won. We won. Chainsaw Massacre. Oh, yeah. I got 2 people. I got 2 things of food. It's really doing my hair. I don't have hair brushes. Blood on me still. There's a lot of blood on me. I might take this apron off first and just play. There's a bit of blood here. Yeah, I'll keep the tie on, I guess. Oh, I'm never doing that again. God, I got that stupid apron on shit. I'm about to break it. Oh. See my shirt? It's not brand named. I'm made in Texas. Yeah. We'll call it. I can put it back on. Should probably go soon. Maybe like one more game. Yeah, one more game. Maybe I could do like a live stream about it. But yeah, I'm just gonna play one more game, guys. Guys. One more game should be enough. Because the cops are probably gonna be here soon, and I'm at the family back there. Food. I won't take him back. Drake's probably gonna get bad at me, man. Alright. Oh. At least when my house burned down, I can't really play there. I should get in those spots. Yeah, I think one more game would be good. You see my eye? I can see you. Oh, should I do other things again? What's this one? Abandoned mill. Yeah, I really do. I'll change. What can I change? I'm gonna dress up. Oh, this big me. Big arms. Oh, yeah. And my apron. And my mask. Yeah. I'm gonna be bloody. Oh, no, stop! Fuck!
Series of home invasions around Bell County have turned into a search for a known fugitive. Omar Pauly, native of Holland, Texas, was arrested in 1967 for aggravated assault and larceny and was sentenced to 5 years in prison. After his release, Omar Pauly was implicated in a string of incidents outside McLennan County before he was arrested again but managed to escape authorities. His current whereabouts are unknown. Personal belongings linked to a missing Tulsa, Oklahoma couple were found
Boyfriend, girlfriend?
Police say Tyra Devine
I picked this up.
seemingly vanished overnight while on a trip through Texas Hill Country more than 6 months ago. The couple's vehicle was reportedly recovered near Cypress Hill last November, but no further evidence has
Okay, what is this,
until now.
I don't know what the fuck you are. Neither you. Who are these people?
The husband and wife were found scattered.
It's me. Oh, who's that? Oh, hang on. Damn it. Okay, let's just show you what I have on there now. So, I really could have done things earlier. The other chainsaw. There's more. I guess I'm gonna have this chainsaw. Let's go on. Here's the thing. Here. Some milk. Real food. Nice, wait for her. Ooh. That's still in the other one. Oh, she's right there. Oh, get her. Oh, I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her. Go. Where'd she go? There it. Go. Oh, she's right, guys. Huh? Oh. Oh, alright. Oh,